Well, hello there, folks. I'm feeling a little bit more up this week. I think we saw the bottom of the dip over the weekend. Things are starting to look a bit better. It's really the only thing that worries me here in Thailand, because you've got really no control of it, and you've got no employment, so you can't make adjustments to, top it up and buy in there early or buy in when it's low, because you've got no extra cash. It's all locked up in there. My available cash there, that's only going to last me 12 months, and of course if I put that into the investment, then what am I going to live on? Yeah, it's a very complicated story. Anyway, we're off to lunch today. Where are you going to take us today? Where are we going, darling?
I don't know what you want, but I show you before.
Yeah, but we got it. I have one on the map. You say you want to change to Isaan food?
Isaan food not really far here. If you hungry now,
No,
can be you now.
I'm hungry now.
Just only this one.
Isaan food. Okay, we go Isaan food. You can navigate, okay?
But
Ready?
you hungry late time for these foods now.
Okay, we're going to eat Isaan food.
Hi, today I know flower. I know anything because I think I sick today, but I think Warren him being violent for me and make me sick.
Why blame me? I had a runny nose last week. I had some sort of what do you call it, hay fever or something start up. I don't know what caused it. Yeah, and now she's blaming me for making her sick. I don't know. I can't win, I can't. Where are we going, darling? This Isaan food. Where? Left side.
Go left. Go and left.
So left.
Yeah, เลี้ยวซ้าย go around. Okay.
And then how far? For U-turn.
Not U-turn, just
Go on.
left. Okay.
She hasn't given me a map pin today, so I have no idea where I'm going. She's going to navigate for me.
Yeah.
Hey.
I feel ไม่สบาย
You'll be okay, darling. Some paracetamol.
I think I hurt my body.
She's given a list of symptoms that she's got. So with mine, it started about 10 days ago. It started as a headache. Then it's like then a sneezing about a day later. And then I got a sore throat for about maybe 12 hours. I just put some soothing, like I got some spray for a sore throat if you get a sore throat. This little herbal medicine. I should go through these little herbal remedies that we have here in Thailand, because it's one of the things that nobody really talks about here. And what do you supplement from what you're used to over in your own country? An example I'd use, like before we get into, I'm one of those people. I'll forget if I don't do it now. There's this thing here called yadom. Do you know what this stuff is? This stuff is absolutely magic. It really is. Darling, tell me about yadom.
ยาดมแบรนด์หงไทย very good when you hurt headache and when you something
Yeah.
หายใจไม่ออกไทย you have this one special when you drive car and when you sit in the car and you รู้สึก oh I hurt headache you just put like this
Yep.
oh better now
Exactly.
you believe
And
me
seriously,
this is
I've had
you believe me this is my item very good.
Yeah, like as I said, I'm into herbalism and everything else like that. All the different herbal remedies that the indentured system wants to sort of ban because of the fact that it affects their profit line. But I've never really explored the Thai herbal stuff. I know it exists. There's a hidden layer of herbal remedies here. It's obviously it comes through from China and everything else, and I really want to start to explore that. But getting back to this thing here, like Vicks Sinex and Nile decongestant we have in Australia, which you pay through the nose for. This stuff here is cheap, and it's actually I think it's better. So give this a try. Anyway, we're going to have some Isaan food. So here we are today at a nice little Isaan eatery on the main road. Yeah, Putamon Tonsai Ha. You got a bit of traffic now, so we probably can't talk much. But he started to do it up. This is how they start. Depending on how good the cooks are and everything else. I think he owns this whole little block here. It's on the back of a little pond. You never know, if he gets enough good business, he could turn into something quite spectacular. But here we are. I don't know.
Location
Very nice. Well, yeah, we'll check back in 1 year and see what it's like, because I think it's going to be very interesting if you have the money, if he's a good cook. You are a good cook? You good? You can make good food? Good, okay.
Isaan food.
Isaan food, okay, I have to translate. Wait,
Number
wait.
one for me, Isaan food.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
But you from Sukhothai, you're not Isaan?
No, yes, I'm from Sukhothai, but I like
Isaan
Isaan
food.
food. Okay.
Okay.
ชอบมาก Isaan.
Darling, I don't know what to eat. What do you think we have to eat? I want labmoor.
You know anything?
Labmoor.
Isaan food.
Pet more, okay.
ได้ Okay ได้
Okay,
ค่ะ
and you
ได้
can
ค่ะ
choose something, maybe some chicken wing spicy, you know, not too spicy. Pet more, okay. You can make it up, it's okay. I like this on food. Yeah, and getting back to this, the whole idea of herbal remedies. I've been here, you know, I keep on saying I've been here this long, and it's one of the things I always wanted to investigate was all the herbal remedies here that they have in Thailand, because, you know, there is this, you know, perceived banner of enclosed, you know, protectionism from Western influence when it comes to medical assistance or medical aid and the pharmaceutical industry. Like the codeine's been, like codeine, I suppose it's been banned in Australia because of the abuse of it, but you know, how long was codeine available, you know, over the chemist and things like that. Anyway, our back minute. He's doing his best to get everything ready for us.
ขอโค้กด้วยนะคะ
Okay.
เอาโค้กเล็กค่ะ
Go, yeah, where you want to go? Okay, you can go. I'm not going to stop you. Anyway, so yeah, getting back to the sort of sick last, I was sick last week. Yeah, it went through the nose, and it's, I'm still a little bit congested. It's like, you know, it's one of those chesty sort of head colds. Beautiful, lovely.
And
Okay.
you want some fish or no?
I don't fish, no. I said, you know, love more and some chicken. Yeah, okay.
Okay,
And you
just
can,
chicken.
yeah, so getting back, I'm getting sidetracked here. Maybe it's not just take a 5 minute while we get everything sorted out and I'll get back to the story. So she's just telling me there, she's got a bit of a heads up from the owner here about just the actual location. So start again. So you said that they...
I talk about with him,
Yeah.
but him tell me him open 10 p.m. and close 23
So
p.m.
10 a.m.
10 a.m.
and close at 23 p.m. Yes,
Yes,
so yeah,
yes,
24 hour
yes.
clock.
But him have when tonight have just only 3 days, Saturday, Sunday,
And Monday.
Monday for have music.
Oh,
have
okay. So little bands,
yes,
little bands. Oh,
brand music something.
They've got a little, yeah, so it's a little band stop there, so he gets somebody to play every so often. They've got an upstairs little area so you can watch it from the top,
Yeah.
right? And so what's he say? It's become very popular with the locals.
Pardon?
Popular place, people like this
Yeah,
place.
people
you know?
popularแบบ nice place tonight. I think later when แบบ want to relax and want to สบายๆ and come in the restaurant here
Yeah.
and relax. I think good idea นะ and food not too expensive. Just only
If you come home,
80 baht.
if you can come home at the time, see, biggest problem with us eating at night time is she doesn't close the salon till 8 o'clock, and I usually get hungry about 6 o'clock, so I've eaten at 6 to 6:30 to 7 o'clock at the latest. Then she comes home and she says she's hungry and I've already eaten, or then she comes home and she says, well, I've waited till 7:30 or 8 o'clock to have dinner with her, right? And she says she's already eaten when she gets home. So better communication, darling. But you should tell me on the messenger, you want to eat tonight, where you want to go, more communication. But yeah, so what she's suggesting, of course, is if she come up here again, try the Isaan food. Oh, if it's good today, we'll come back here at night time and
Yes,
check it out.
night time later.
Probably maybe tomorrow night or something like that.
Not down now. Today I ไม่สบาย
Yeah, good.
Yes,
Friday,
ไม่สบาย
you have to get there because Friday we have party with Jerry. Okay?
Now I think pardon.
So Jerry Friday party with Jerry.
Yes.
I don't think you. If you have what I have, I think Friday you'll be. Because you're not strong like
It's
me.
okay. I work hard. I wake up. I sleep not. No have time for sleeping. Sometimes I wake up 1 a.m. and sometimes I wake up 5. I work.
Isn't this the whole thing about the whole working career? Don't you make these plans at the beginning? This is all what you do. I made plans for my career, and like I got shot down 2 or 3 times throughout that career path.
ไอ้ไม่สบาย
But you get back in. Look at the camera. We can use for thumbnail. Smile. Smile at the camera. This one. Smile. Ding dong. Yeah. Anyway, okay. So I wanted to talk about this whole. It's one of those things. I've done a lot of research into herbalism over the past years, and again, the cracks in the woodwork are just going to open up here, and all the naysayers says, yeah, well, there's no, it's all fantasy and everything else. Well, it's kept human society working for like 10 to 15,000 years. It's only in the last 100 years or so that we introduced the pharmaceutical industry, which then started to commercialise the ability to make remedies for people who felt ill, but never actually come up with cures, because like a virus, there's really nothing to do with it. You can't kill a virus particularly. It is a living organism, and we have viruses in our body that do good things. It's all part of the symbiosis that the body has here. Again, what we've been doing, pharmaceutical industry, is been pumping all these drugs into people over the last 100 years, and they lower their natural immune system. My immune system is built on the fact that I think the worst I've taken is, like for the stomach acid, because we eat Thai food, which is omeprazole, which is a beta blocker or something, and paracetamol. That's about the only 2 drugs I ever take on a regular basis. And again, I've been really focusing on not taking the omeprazole, just make sure I don't eat overly spicy food all the time, which is what sets me off. Anyway, it's not for my medical problems. Everybody's going to have their own unique perspective on how their health works. But as I said, I've been following the whole natural remedy sort of process for many, many years. We saw the old wives' tales of how to live, in a society where, everybody's got some sort of ailment, and they're going to spread it no matter what you try to do. You ever watched that movie, with Dustin Hoffman, Contagion? That is one of the most scary movie thoughts that you can ever sort of you put yourself through. And what do we have? Like 2020, what happened then? Getting on buses and wondering where the last person's hand was. Enough of that sort of stuff. Anyway, she's now got a virus that I had last week. She's going to probably get a little bit worse for wear. It's going to go to her chest, just going to get coffee, and then it'll be over. It takes about a week to get rid of it. But just getting back to the DOM, it really just. I said I ran out of the Nile decongestant. I was going to sort of hit my Australian friends up and say, well, send me some more Nile decongestant, But when people asked what they want to bring, when they come over, I can never think of it. I should have a little list I should write out for this and that. But so Nile decongestant. But I forgot to tell Jen and Eva that I could have done with some more, because it only lasts a year. It expires, Just your DOM doesn't expire. It's natural. It's natural leaves and stuff like that. Well, of course, it loses its potency. You just throw it out, but it doesn't expire. It seems to be just as good. How much can I talk about it? I don't know. Can I rave too much about this your DOM stuff? You've got to try it. There are a few different types. The one I was showing here, the one with the yellow label, is, from what Trolls tells me and from what Chanya tells me, I've lost it now. My pockets of deep holding. What to do with the Yodom?
Where? You bring me back.
There it is. I got too many pockets.
Crazy, darling.
Yeah, it loses its potency, but this yellow one is supposed to be the best. There's 3 or 4 other types. But here's the question, like, I don't mind doing the investigation if you want me to go out and do a little bit exploratory there. Like, so YouTube's one of these places where you can go off in rabbit holes and sort of become an expert in a rabbit hole that has no meaning but gets really interesting. Our channel's about life in Thailand, and I think medical and the stuff that you surround yourself with here, I think is a very critical part of Thailand life, and we should know more about it. Here we go. Move that out of the way, move that there. Oh, here we go. There, some chicken, some rice, some love more. And some Chanya.
ข้าวเหนียวนี่ชอบกินลาบ
Sauce. I don't know. What time I done?
ทายไปเลยจบข้าวเหนียวเลย
Anyway, we're going to sit down and have some. Try it first to see. Taste test. Got a bit of extra mint on the top there. Look. I don't want to spoil. I'm going to taste.
This is look like ที่30 บาท
Best way to check wow more is you take the sticky rice and you dip it in the sauce and roll it.
ใช่ปะจาริมูฟโอเคเห็นไหม You can move out you can move in เห็นไหม
You okay?
ไฮดรอลิก
You okay, mate?
ไฮดรอลิก
Okay, let's have lunch. We will just cut the camera. Anyway, this was absolutely yummy, darling. I don't know what it is about Isaan food. It always feels like camping. Yeah? Isaan food just always feels like camping. It just makes you feel really happy. Because I always love camping. Not glamping. I know some people like their glamping, but I like to actually pitch a tent in the wilderness, you know, catch stuff and kill it and eat it. One of the things I used to like when I was when I was younger. Not so much these days. And again, I wouldn't really know what the law of the land, lay of the land, or the law of the land is about, you know, exactly wildlife, catching wildlife in Thailand and, you know, killing it and putting it over a roast. Is that even allowed? I have no idea. Anyway, we need to get ourselves. What are you doing now? Anyway, we need to plan what we're going to do next. We're going to do shopping and everything else. Anything else we need to do? No?
แค่นั้น
Need to do something else? No?
เนาะ
Just take you home.
Take what
Take you home, make you feel better.
no shopping ไง
Shopping, then take you home. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, again, I don't know what you expect from these videos. I was talking to one of our guys. Oh, this is the actual. Oh, right. Yeah.
เนี่ย
There'll be a link from a Facebook group and show you what's going on, so you can check this out as well. Yeah, so we'll try and get back here on a night time and see what it's all about. The food's great. It's just the final throes of this nasal congestion, sinusy stuff. But anyway, we're out of here. Until next time. Okay, well that lot there came to 390 baht, which is pretty good. Oh, lovely food. I'll have to come and check it out at night. So look, we're going to do our shopping now. I won't bore you with that because they don't let us film inside. So we'll wrap it up here. Again, special thank you to our membership here. Keeps us honest, keeps us plugging away. And of course, we'll catch you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.